Good morning, students. Now we are in class 12th physics and chapter number 3 current electricity. What is electricity? The study of charge when charging is in motion through a conductor or wire. Electric current is the flow of charge. And how it is measured? It is measured by the rate of flow of charge, means charge flowing in per unit time. I equals Q by T. Current is denoted by, electric current is denoted by I, and it is a scalar quantity, not a vector. Although we show the direction of current by arrow and its unit is ampere, it is fundamental quantity. Now we have a conductor through which current is flowing, I, and its area of cross section is A. So current passing through per unit cross section area is called current density, and it is denoted by J. J equals I upon A, and it is a vector quantity, ampere per meter square, I upon A. Who are the charge carrier? Who carry the charge? Electrons are the charge carrier in solid, especially in metal conductors, and positive negative ions in liquids called electrolytes, and gases. No current flows through gases, so gases are bad conductor. But normally no current flows, but at a particular pressure current flows through gases, and example is CFL. In our houses we use CFL, compact fluorescent light, through which at a particular pressure current can flow. Now drift velocity. When we connect a conductor or wire with terminal of battery, means we apply a potential difference, then one terminal is positively charged, another negatively, so electric field is developed inside the conductor, and the free electron in per unit volume N, means free electron density. This free electron experiences a force F equal QE in this, by this formula. Electric field is developed, so electron experiences opposite side in opposite direction of force and start to move, by which a small velocity electron move towards positive end. That is called, not in this direction, in this direction. That is called electron. That is called drift velocity, and it is very small. A small velocity by which electron moves towards positive end of battery, positive terminal of battery, or towards high potential. And what is relaxation time, tau? It is denoted by tau. The average time taken by free electron between two collisions. When electron moves through a conductor, it collides again and again with atoms. So from one collision to another collision, the average time is called relaxation time. And the distance between two collisions, average distance, that is mean free path. Now what is the relation between drift velocity and electric current? Suppose a conductor like this is connected to the terminal of the battery, then electron, as I told you earlier, electron experiences a force and will start to move. So number of free electron in per unit volume is N, and they moves Vd distance in 1 second. So volume will be A into Vd. So electron entering per second at this end is N into AVD. Number of electron per unit volume and total volume means AVD. One electron carry E charge, so these electron will carry an AVD into E charge in 1 second, means per second, and charge per second is called current. So this is current, I equals NAVD E. This is the relation between drift velocity and electric current.